ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय कान्व शाख्या बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद on page 486 भाष्य सेकंड लाइन विशिष्टम जगन निर्मिनुयात। निर्मिनुयात, दिस शब्द टुमी प्रक्षेपणे धातु इज देयर। टुमी प्रक्षेपणे कर्तरी विधिलिंग परस्मै पदम। निर उपसर्ग पूर्वक मिनुयात शब्द विल बी देयर। कर्तरी विधिलिंग। The meaning will be, if the samsari like us was who is asarvagnya, how this achintya rachana rupam jagat he would be able to create. So katham vishishtam jagan nirminuyat, that is ayuktam. Ato ayuktam, therefore it is not possible that jiva can create. Okay. Samsara, yesterday this shabda had come. So samsarati iti samsara, this etymology, how it will work, I don't know. Somebody said that kaha samsarati chaitraha maitraha jivaha sansaranti. So sansarati iti samsara will not. Sansarati asmin jivaha iti samsara, that in which jivas go through transmigration, that is called samsara. Sansarati iti samsara will not come. Sansarati asmin jivaha iti samsara. Okay. Page number 488. Second line in Bhashya. पर आत्मनि संप्रतिष्ठते. संप्रतिष्ठते, what is the dhatu?
स्था धातु.
स्था धातु. स्था धातु is परस्मै पद. संप्रतिष्ठते, what is the sutra?
समव प्रविभक्तः.
समव प्रविभ्यः स्थः. Noted. Okay. See now 489 Bhashya first line. Tatra idanim. So Siddhanti said Upakrama is of Brahma. Brahmate Bravani, Brahmate Brahma Jnapayishyami. And therefore it cannot be Jiva. Correct?
Yes, Swamiji.
तत्र इदानीम असंसारी ब्रह्म जगतः कारणम अशनायादि अतीतम नित्य शुद्ध बुद्ध मुक्त स्वभावम तद विपरीतश्च संसारी तस्माद् अहम ब्रह्मास्मि इति न गृह्णीयात्. पूर्व पक्ष says there is no aham brahmasmi. Why? It is very clear. Brahma is asamsari. Jiva is samsari and is viparita. One number tippani should be there on tad viparita, not on swabhava. Tad viparitascha. Asansari Brahma is Jagat Karanam, which is Ashanayadi Atitam. It is beyond Ashana Pipasa. And Ashanaya. So the actual Shabda is Ashanaya. And then there is Atvam in that. So it becomes Naya. Ashanaya Shabda is Nipatita. Nipatanam is done. Sutra is Ashanaya, Ashanaya Udanya Dhanaya. बुभुक्षा पिपासा गर्धेषु अशनाय उदन्य धनाया बुभुक्षा पिपासा गर्धेषु. So for ashana bubuksha, ashanaya shabda comes. For pipasa, udanya, and gardha, dhana. So magrdha, prasyas with dhana, that one. Brahma is nitya shuddha buddha mukta swabhavam, and therefore it cannot be one with jiva. Tad viparitasya samsari tasmad aham brahmasmi iti na grahniya. Tika. Brahma vidyayam prastutayam iti yavat. In Brahma vidya that you are proposing, aham brahmasmi is not correct. Idanim na grahniya iti sambandha. Mitho viruddhatva pratiti avasthayam iti etat. This mutual contradiction, viruddhatva, is pratiti avasthayam. Anyanya viruddhatvam tat shabdartha. Tad viparita. That tat shabda is anyanya viruddhatvam. Vipakshe dosham aha param hi devam ishanam nikrishtah samsari atmatvena smaran kathan na dosha bhak syat. Param hi devam ishanam nikrishtah samsari atmatvena smaran katham na dosha bhak syat. So this Paramatma Ishvara, which is Nikrishtaha, Samsari Atmatvena Smaran, if you consider that Paramatma is thought of as this Jiva equal to Paramatma, so Ishanam Nikrishtah samsari atmatvena smaran. If you at Paramatma as this Nikrishta samsari Jivatma from up to down, why would there not be a dosha? Katham na dosha bhaksya. Means that is there is a dosha if you say aham brahmasmi. Tasmad na aham brahmasmi iti yuktam. Therefore it is not right. Then somebody is asking, Katham tarhi Ishware matim kuryat. Then what kind of thought I should entertain for Ishwara? Iti ashankya. He says, Swami, he is your Swami, he is not you. What should I do? Tasmat, Pushpa, Udakanjali, Stuti, Namaskara, Bali, Upahara, Swadhyaya, Adhyana, Dhyana, Yogadibihi, Ariradhaishet. He's a Dvaiti. This is what he says. Pushpa, Udaka, Udakanjali, offering, Stuti, Namaskar, Bali, Upahara, and then you have to do some Parayan also, not only all this material. Swadhyaya, Dhyan also, then some Dhyana Yoga. This is Purva Paksha. Dhyana Yoga Dibihi, Ariradhaishet. Ariradhaishet.
आराधनमिच्छेत्.
Whenever there is San Pratyaya, the first word will be in Tumunanta. It will be Tumun at the end. So Aradhaitum Icchet. But it is not only San Pratyaya, because there is Yakara also. In San Pratyaya, if Radha Dhatu you take, this Radha Dhatu, Radha, Vriddhi, Siddhi, Droha, Daiva, Paryalochanadishu, Radha Dhatu you take. Radha Dhatu if you take, and if you do San Pratyaya, there is, when you do San Pratyaya, there is something called Atideshika Dhatu. Atideshika Dhatu will become Ratsa or Re-Ratsa. Then Dhakar will go. You will never be able to get this Rupa. So Rupa Siddhi, if you want to do this Rupa Siddhi, first you will have to do Nijanta. Then you will have to do Sannanta. First Nij, then San. So Nij you will have to do in Swartha. Because if you don't do Swartha Nij, what will happen? Aradhaitum Kaha Icchet. You want to do Swaha only. Not somebody else is making you do it. You are doing it. So Swarthe Nij, and then Atideshika Dhatu will become Radhi. Then in Radhi, you put San Pratyaya, it will become Riradhaishet. Means it will become Riradhaisha. Then Riradhaishet will become Vidhiling. So as is, you will not get the Rupa. If you look for, you will not find. Means this is what, according to Dvaita Matam and all, they expect that you should do these two Ishvara. Never think you are one with that. And somebody, Maharaji was saying, somebody had come from Vrindavan and within 2 days they said, we'll go. All these are papi people because they say, I am Brahma. So when we say, we understand and we equate ourselves with that Paramatma only in Lakshyartha, not in Vachyartha. We also don't agree that in Vachyartha, Jiva is Brahma. Nobody says. Those who don't understand Vedanta and they in 2 days this is what they get, then they will not be happy. Adipadam Pradakshinadi Sangrahartham. Because in the Moolam, Pradakshina or Padayatra, some people are going tomorrow to Badrinath, Padayatra. Some people left this morning. Very good. Swamiji, shall I go? No. Study Brahadaranyaka. Aradhanena viditva sarveshitru brahma bhavati. By worshipping this Paramatma, Aradhanena, doing Aradhana, Sarva Ishitru Brahma Bhavati. Then that Ishvara is सर्व ईशितृ. सर्व ईशितृ Brahma Bhavati. If you understand this in the form of Vishishta Advaita, then you go on doing worship in this Sharira, then thereafter you will become one with Paramatma. And so in that, the emphasis will be on Brahma Bhavati. Brahma Bhavanam, you become. If you take only Dvaita Siddhanta, then it will be Aradhanena Viditva. What is the Jnanam? Brahma is Sarva Ishitru Bhavati means Asti. Brahma is Sarva Ishita. That's all. This you will know. After all the Aradhana, you will know that Paramatma is, everything is under the control of Paramatma only. There is nothing outside. So according to Dvaita Matam, that is the understanding. According to Vishishta you will become one with it. Aikatmya Shastrad Atmamatireva Brahmani Kartavya iti Ashankya. But Siddhanti says this Vedanta Shastra is for Ekatma. Aikatmya Shastrat Atmamati should be there in Brahma. Aham Brahma Asmi. Iti Ashankya. Na punaha asamsari Brahma. Samsari Atmatvena Chintayet. Purvapakshi is very much against this. It is like Agnimiva Shitatvena, Akashamiva Murtimatvena. So, asansari Brahma, samsari Atmatvena na chintayet. Samsari Atmatvena, asansari Brahma na chintayet. Ka tarhi Shastra Gatihi Tatraha. Then what is the role of Shastra? What are we going to do with Shastra then? Agati. Brahmatmatva Pratipadakam api Shastram Arthavado Bhavishyati. This is Arthavada only. Brahmatmaka means Prashansa. Arthavada means they are praising you. You are Brahma. You feel good. Tika. Mukhyarthatva sambhave kim iti arthavadata. But Mukhyartha is possible. Why you should take it as Arthavada Vakya? When it is said, Adityo Yupaha. Why do we say it is Arthavada Vakya? What is the shloka? How many types of Arthavadas are there? What are they? No, shloka.
Virodhe gunavadastu
Virodhe gunavadasya danuvado vadharite bhutarthavadas tadhanat arthavadas tridhamataha. In Kailash, there is no end to how many things you have to know. So, sometimes they'll say this is Shloka Vartika. Shloka Vartika means Vartika from Kumaril Bhatta on Mimamsa. Some Udaran will come somewhere here, there. Now, you see, I am not able to remember Gita Shlokas. Barely some Sthita Prajna Lakshana I am going through. And you are quoting Shloka Vartika or Tantra Vartika. And those big panktis of Nyaya, of course, we have to kanthastha, memorize. So remember this shloka. Virodhe gunavadasya. What is the drashtanta for there? Aditya Yupa. That is the context. So Aditya is really not Yupa, but it is so shining that Takshana has made it so shining, so they call it as Aditya. So it is Arthavada. Because Mukhyartha Virodha is there. But here there is no Virodha. I can be Brahman. How can I be Brahman? only in Lakshyartha. सर्व तर्क शास्त्र लोक न्यायश्च एवं अविरोधः स्यात्. If you take Purvapaksha says, if you take this as Arthavada, Sarva Tarka Shastra, Loka Nyaya, by all these, there is no Virodha. Otherwise, you will have to go on explaining everybody how you are Brahma, how you are Brahma. Purvapakshi has easy solution. Samsaritva asamsaritvadina mitho viruddhayor jiveshwarayoho shitoshnavat aikya anupapattir nyayah. Samsaritva asamsaritva, their virodha, it is like tamah prakashavat. विरुद्धयोः जीवेश्वरयोः शीतोष्णवत् ऐक्य अनुपपत्ति. Otherwise, like how Purvapakshi said, Agni Shitaha, this is yours, you saying Jiva is Brahma, it is like Agni Shitaha, Akasha is Murtimat. So there is contradiction. Like that he says there is contradiction. But he sees only from the standpoint of Upadhi. Those who have this mindset, they are unfit for Advaita. They will never be able to get what is Advaita. And those who can get Advaita, they will be able to see Advaita anytime. And they are the ones who will have Brahmanishtha. Any Upanishad mantra, they will be able to put it in themselves, and on the strength of this knowledge, they will face the world. This is the difference between anyone studying Vedanta and those who are able to abide in this teaching. This is what is pointed out in Chandogya Ashtamadhyaya, Shashtadhyaya, Antim, second last khanda, that Tapta Parashunyaya. Anyone who will hold this Parshu without the right understanding will get burnt. Means no matter how much you study, yastu sarvani bhutani atmanyevanupashyati sarva bhuteshu cha atmana. The one who gets this, only for that person, tato na vijugupsate. Then vijugupsa will not be there. Otherwise, you will see that. Similarly, yasmin sarvani bhutani atmaiva bhut vijanatah, for that person, ko mohaha ka shoka. Otherwise, shoka moha will keep coming. So you say, I studied Shastra, I am studying, I am doing so many things. Yes. I have to see myself in this way only. The way it is given there, then I will see Phalashruti. I am without Upadhi. This is your Mahamantra. Every day you will have to see, I am not associated with Panchakosha. Then you will see this Phalashruti. Otherwise, you may study lot of Vyakarana, lot of Nyaya and so many other things. Phalasiddhi, you will not see. Now Siddhanti, see, he is starting the analysis. Vijnanatma Vishayatvam Tatastha Ishvara Vishayatvam cha Upanishado Nivarayan Pariharati. Vijnanatma Vishayatvam Tatastha Ishvara Vishayatvam cha. Upanishad is doing Varanam of Vijnanatma Vishayatvam. Vijnanatma Vishayatvam means Upanishadaha Vishayo na Jivaha na bhi Tatastha Ishvara. Upanishad is not interested in talking about Jiva, who is Karta Bhokta. Upanishad is not interested in talking about Ishvara, who is only Nimitta Karana. Vijnanatma Vishayatvam Upanishadaha उपनिषदः विज्ञानात्म विषयत्वम, उपनिषद is षष्ठी, of the Upanishad Vijnanatma Vishayatvam is not there. Means Upanishad's Vishaya is not Jivatma. Upanishad's Vishaya is also not Tadastha Ishvara. Pariharati. Na. Mantra Brahmana Vadebhyas Tasyeva Pravesha Shravana. By Mantra and Brahmana of the Vedas, Tebhyaha Tasyeva Pravesha Shravanat. Tasyeva Tatsrishtva Tadevanupravishat. It is given in the Tika. I mean, it is given in the Bhashya itself. Parasyeva Praveshavadi Mantra Brahmana Vadan Udaharati. So now you have to give Drishtanta. Pratignya is done. Mantra Brahmana Vadebhyaha Tasyeva Pravesha Shravana. Putra Puraschakra iti prakritya. Puraha Purusha Avishat iti. Chakra, it should be. Prahadaranyaka 2.5. Puraha means this Sharira. Puram. Puramiva Puram. And this is Vipada also, Chatushpada also for all. Shatpada, etc. You understand. In them, this Paramatma is Upalabdha. That Paramatma is called Purushaha. So Purusha here means Chaitanya. Purusha anywhere in Vedanta in general means Chaitanya. Chakra it will become Sama. No. Puraha Chakre, he created. Paramatma created the Sharira. Having created the Sharira, he entered in the Sharira in that. Because that is what he is showing in all these mantras. Having created the Sharira, Dvipada, Chatushpada, etc., he entered there. Rupam Rupam Pratirupo Babhuva Tadasya Rupam Pratyakshanaya. Paramatma became Rupam of all these Upadhis. And then, why he did this? Tad asya Rupam Pratyakshanaya. Pratyakshanaya Swayathatmya Prakhyapanaaya. Paramatma wanted that how will otherwise Jiva know where I am? If Ishvara is Tatastha, Ishvara is somewhere, Jiva there somewhere, there is no connection. I will never know Ishvara. You say, I will know Ishvara through Shabda Pramana. I will never have aparoksha jnanam of Ishvara. Because that Nitya Paroksha Ishvara will remain Paroksha even through Shabda Pramana. Swarga is Paroksha, through Shabda Pramana also it will remain Paroksha. Paramatma wanted to make sure he is known Aparoksha. So what did he do? Rupam Pratirupo Bhakuva. Sarvani Rupani Vichitya Dhiro Namani Kritva Vivadanyadaste. But Sarvani Rupani Vichitya Dhiraha, we say, right? In Purnaviram is there. In Taittiriya, Purusha Suktam. And this is Taittiriya part only, because Shukla Yajurveda part here is different. This line is different. Iti sarva shakhasu sahasro mantravadaha srishtikartuhu eva asamsarinam sharira pravesham darshayati. Srishtikarta, who is asamsari, has entered in these shariras. Sahasrashaha, this is wrong. They might have used some different font or it looks different. Sahasrashaha. Tatha brahmanavadaha tat srishtva tadevanupravishat. What is the sutra there? Srishtva pravishat. Online, what is the sutra? समान कर्तृकयोः पूर्वकाले. Can you hear me?
Yes, Swamiji.
समान कर्तृकयोः पूर्वकाले. That's सृष्ट्वा. What is the meaning of that sutra? The karta of both the kriyas is same. स एतमेव सीमानं विदार्य एतया द्वारा प्रापद्यत. सः सः कः? परमात्मा. एतमेव सीमानं विदार्य. Where is this from? Aitareya. सीमानं विदार्य. They have given the, not given, right? Etaya dwara, by this sima means this part, the vidriti it is called. Vidriti, I think. What is known as this chakra on top here. Paramatma enters from there. Seyam devata, ima tisro devata, anena jivena atmana anupravishya. Seyam devata, imaha tisro devata. Tisraha. Tisraha, what is the sutra? Trichaturoho striyam tisr chatasr. And then is another sutra. First, so three shabda is there. Three will get jas. Then this sutra will make it tisru. Trich pratyanta, tisru. Then rukar will become rakara. Achira rutaha. This sutra. Achira rutaha. 7 to 100. 7 to 99 is the previous one. Trichaturoho striyam tisru chatasru and achira rutaha. Same sutra 20 times unless we hear. Sanskaras are, we have heard this sutra, but it will go away. That's why sometimes we have to keep doing this punaravritti. Anena jivena atmana anupravishya. And this is not only for this is for anything. Mukhya focus also we should not lose, which is what I already said. I am upadhi rahita Brahma. No matter how much we like our upadhi, no matter how much we like to be with upadhi so that we can identify with other with upadhi, I am nirupadhika Brahma. If I want moksha. Otherwise, again, same thing. Esha sarveshu bhuteshu gudhotma na prakashate. Gudho atma na prakashate. Ityadyaha. टीका यत्तु अहम ब्रह्म इति गृह्णीयात् इति तत्राह. अहम ब्रह्म इति गृह्णीयात् तत्राह सर्वश्रुतिषु च ब्रह्मणि आत्मशब्द प्रयोगात् आत्मशब्दस्य च प्रत्यगात्म अभिधायकत्वात्. In all Shrutis, Brahmani Atma-shabda prayogat. In Brahma, Atma-shabda prayoga is done in Shruti. And Atma means Pratyagatma. Atma-shabdasya cha Pratyagatma vidhayakatvat. Esha sarva bhutantaratma. इति च श्रुतेः परमात्मा व्यतिरेकेण संसारिणो अभावात्. Other than Paramatma, there is no samsari. एकमेवाद्वितीयम् ब्रह्मैवेदम् आत्मैवेदम् इत्यादि श्रुतिभ्यः युक्तम् एव अहम ब्रह्मास्मि इति अवधारयितु. Therefore, it is appropriate to do this avadharanam that I am Brahma. So, how this whole thought process started? First, he said, you are. The Purvapakshi said, I will accept Jiva, no Ishvara. So Siddhanti said, no, this is not the prakarana of Jiva. You have to have, Jiva cannot create Srishti, etc. You need Ishvara. Okay. Then he said, I will accept Ishvara, but Ishvara different from Jiva. Then we said, no. This Ishvara, Brahma itself, the one who created, has entered as Jiva. Okay, so you see, first he said Jiva is the creator, right? We said no, Ishvara is creator. Then he said Ishvara is different from Jiva. We said no, Ishvara is one with Jiva. And Ishvara created everything. So who created? Again, you come back to that. Then you say, well, earlier this is what I was saying, now you are saying this. But there is a big difference. This is called Adhyaropa Apavada. Earlier he said Jiva as Jiva has created everything. Now it is said Jiva as Brahma has created everything. Jiva as Jiva cannot create. This is the purpose of Prakriya. These things, those who don't understand, neither, and they will say, sometimes you say you are Jiva and you have to do Aradhana, this, that. After sannyas also, we have to do Shiv Mahimna Parayan and Puja and this and that. And then you also say, no, but you are Brahma. And this Purva Paksha says, Aradhana and this and that. Because when a person does not understand what is said from Adhyaropa standpoint, what is said from Apavada standpoint, they will always remain confused. And they will say, I cannot understand Vedanta, I will study some other darshan. There are people. And those who understand Vedanta, for them, Vedanta is so clear, any time, any place, anywhere. Desha Kala, they are absolutely clear what is being communicated. This is actually Bhagavan's grace. Or that Bhagavan who is different from you or one with you. Why, if you have not understood, in Vachyartha he is different. In Lakshyartha he is not. Shastriyam api ekatvam anishta prasangat na svikartavyam iti shankate. Purvapaksha is not going to give up. He says, okay, it can be Shastriya. Upanishads you have quoted. But it is anishta. Anishta can be in the form of either it is not our experience or it will result in something else. What is that? See in Bhashya. Yadaivam sthitaha shastrarthas tada paramatmanaha samsaritvam. Purvapakshi is very intelligent. Instead of making Jiva asamsari, he wants to make Paramatma samsari. So, where Bhagavan Shivji is there, then he will bring Parvati ji, Uma, then Ganesha, Kartik, all samsara he will also have. And then Bhagavan has to remain in dhyanam only all the time because of all the virodha. Parasya samsaritve tad asamsaritva shastra anarthakyam phalitamaha. If you say Paramatma is samsari, then Paramatma is asamsari, that Shastra will have virodha. Tathacha sati, Shastra anarthakyam asamsaritvecha upadesha anarthakyam spashto dosha prapta. So then Shastra will become anarthakyam and asamsaritvecha upadesha anarthakyam. Upadesh also will become anartha. This is spashta dosha. Samsarino ananyasyapi parasya asamsaritve. संसारित्व अभिमतो अपि असंसारी इति उपदेश अनर्थक्यम तम विनैव मुक्ति सिद्धेः इति दोषांतरम आह. असंसारित्वे च उपदेश अनर्थक्यम स्पष्टो दोष. So this I will elaborate in the following session. संसारिणो अनन्यस्यापि. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेद विभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.